Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to bind Listbox using complex data type. I mean to say how to bind this box using class of items. So first of all, create a class that is name product, and in which you can add the fields like the product ID, product name, product description, product price. But still I'm using only two variable, that is ID and the name. Okay, that's is pretty simple. And after that you can add a Windows form. And in the Windows form, first of all, add a list box, and in the code file take a list of the product type, in which you can add multiple products. Like the product ID, you can take one, and the product name is the Nokia. And the second product, that is you can say the second object, you can add it like for the Apple and the Microsoft and for the Samsung. So you can add that types is a list of product, and the products is equals to new list of products. And how to bind this is the simple and the but it's use a perfect way to bind the list view, or you can say the best way to bind the list view, or you can say the populate of the list box with the complex types. So add a new product, ID is 1 and the name is a Nokia. Okay, and just copy and paste that item and save this. And after that, the one thing remember in this topic, that is the display member, because here we have two items in the list box, in the list, that is first is the ID and the second one is the name. So but the list box only can show the single item at a time, so you can display the member for the name. So the data source is the list, that name is products, but the display member select two items. Select one of the two items, that is ID and the name. The one I select that name. Okay, so start it. Now you can see your output. So thank you very much for watching this video.